Hey guys, in this video, I'll be telling you how you can automate the process of script writing for your YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels using no-code tools. And the no-code tools which we are going to use are make.com, Perplexity, Claude, and we'll be also using RSS.app to create the RSS feed. So let me just give you a quick summary of how this automation is going to run. So basically, we are going to build an RSS feed where we are going to enter a certain topic. It's going to retrieve the top information from different websites on that particular topic. And for that, we'll be using RSS.app. Next, we are going to get that file, and after that we are going to convert that HTML to text, and then we'll add a Perplexity module to do the research on that topic and give us the output. We'll take that output and we'll create a hook for our script, and after the hook we are going to create a script using Claude, and then we'll add the hook, the script, and the URL in a Google Sheet, and it's going to appear something like this. Before we build this automation, my name is Saurabh, and this channel is all about AI automation, where I cover various tutorials, tips, and tricks to streamline your processes using automation. So let's jump straight into make.com and start building this scenario. So the first step is we need the RSS feed. So for that, we'll add the RSS feed. So we'll just use a retrieve RSS feed item. And here we need to enter a URL. So from where we'll get the URL, we'll go to a website called RSS.app. You can sign it up for free. They've got a paid plan as well, but you can test it out for free. And then we click on new feed. And here we enter the topic. Let's say we want the script for the latest law news. So we'll just put legal news. And what it is going to do, it's going to collect this data from different websites providing legal news. And it's going to build up one feed for that. So here we click on save feed. And bingo, we got this URL, which we will copy. We go back in our scenario and we paste this. And the maximum number of items it's going to return, let's say for this video purpose, 2. Okay, let's test this out. Run this module and let's see. So it is given 2 bundles, 2 outputs. Next, we are going to add an HTTP module to get the file from this URL. So we are going to select the URL, this URL. And after that, we are going to take up all the HTML data and convert it into text. And I'll show you how it's going to done. It's going to do HTML to text, and we pick up this data. All right. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, it went through. See the output. Let's see. This is given this kind of output to us. Okay, up next, what we need to do, we need to add a Perplexity module, and we'll do a create a chat completion, and we'll keep the same model. Here we add this prompt, and here what's this going to do, I'll just show you. Basically, it's going to analyze and it's going to summarize, it's going to pick up the important information from the URL, the data which we are getting from the RSS feed. Okay, we select the role as user, click on OK, given us the data. Let's have a look at it. Message, content. Yeah, it has given us the content. Now we need to create a hook. For that, we'll be using Claude. Anthropic Claude, create a prompt, and we'll use Sonnet as the model. We'll tokens 4000. Okay, the role is going to be user. Type is going to be text, and we'll put work from here. And basically, we are taking the inputs from the HTML to text as well as Perplexity. Basically, this prompt, which I'll give you in the description down below, it's going to create this hook for us. Next, we need to create the script. So we'll just add a different prompt. Okay, if you want to read the prompt for the script is this. You are a viral script writer with 30 years of experience, specializing in crafting engaging scripts for short form content. So, see, since we are creating the script for short form content, so this is how the context we are giving to Claude to generate the right output. You must communicate in the tone of voice provided, reading age of a 14-year-old, aim for an average sentence length of 14 to 18 words, use short sentences to mix up the pacing, etc. So this is the prompt, and prompts will be okay. Then we add the Google Sheet module, and we'll add a row. And again, you need to select your Google Drive, and you just go to that sheet which you have created. So I'll just navigate to the path. Okay, we select this file, shorts and reel script. The name sheet one, and then we map the values from the previous module. The URL is going to be this one. Hook is going to be this, and the script is going to be this prompt. Okay, align them, and let's run this and test it out. All right, the run is complete, and now let me go back to the Google Sheets and see. Yeah, see, this is given this particular script for this particular URL, and this is the hook. So in our prompt, we have asked them to provide us with multiple hooks. So it has given us 3 hooks over here, and this is the script. See, this is how it is so easy to generate script using automation. And if you have any questions about any of the steps which I have covered in this video, do let me know in the comments down below. And if you found some value out of this video, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video.